All right, look, I'm not going to keep you long today. I'm going to make a really simple mushroom tomato spaghetti. Absolutely nothing to it. Bang it out, midweek, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, really simple, nice and easy. We've got mushrooms, tomatoes, and spaghetti. Now I'm using spaghetti. Use any type of pasta that you want. That's cooked. There's about 4 or 5 cups there. You can really adjust all this. There's 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, a regular sized looking can, 400 ml. There's 250 grams of mushrooms, which I've just sliced up. Again, about 3 or 4 cups. 1 cup of onion, tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon each, salt, pepper, chili. Let's go. Okay, so you're gonna need a pan big enough to cook everything in and put the pasta in. I'm gonna mix the pasta in here. I've got some oil there. I'm using olive oil. Use any oil you want. 2 to 3 tablespoons. In goes our 1 cup of onion, our tablespoon of garlic, and we're going to go on an above medium heat for 4 minutes. Very simple. Let's get those mushrooms in. Cut them how you want. I've kind of, sliced mine up, as you can see. Now I'm going to go salt, pepper, chili powder. I'm using chili powder, but if you want, use something else, basil or oregano, however how you say that. Right, we're going to go for 4 more minutes, stirring this around. We might get a bit of moisture from the mushrooms depending on the mushroom types you've used. So you can hear the moisture coming from the mushrooms. Next up, we're going to get that 1 can of tomatoes and drop that in. Now this was a whole plum tomato, just crushed it up with my hand very roughly. We're now going to go for another 4 minutes. And there we go. Let's get our pasta in now. I'm using spaghetti. So look, what I've got here is 1 cup of onions, tablespoon of garlic, and then in volume, very much equal parts of spaghetti, mushrooms and tomatoes. It's very simple, this one. Okay, let's just work that sauce in there onto the pasta. Probably going to be 2 to 3 minutes. I'll see you at the table. Job done. It's so easy. A nice, easy, simple little meal that I've got together here. Okay, and there you go. Simple, delicious, quick, fast. Love it. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.